This little kitten, named Miss Millie, was just 23 days old and was demanding adult cat food kept for her mommy, Dora. We had kept the adult cat food at a slight height to prevent them from accidentally eating it and having any tummy aches. But Miss Millie was adamant and kept crying and making frantic attempts to get to the food. Her partner in crime was her brother, Mr. Pedro. He was also a foodie and refused to listen to his mother, who was trying her best to persuade them to go back to safe place under the plants. Finally, Mommy Cat had enough. She had to pick them up by their necks and take them away. This reminded me of how I used to grab my son by the ear and take him away when he used to persistently beg for a toy. But at least he would finally listen and give up. But these kittens were so naughty that they ran back straight towards the adult cat food. Look at the way Mommy Cat is carrying the babies back to safety, and then they are running back again and again. See how innocently the kitten is hanging from Dora's mouth. The moment Dora keeps her down, this kitten will be back. Dora had a tough time managing her kittens. By the time she kept Mr. Pedro under the plants, Millie would be back again near the cat food. I too tried to help Dora by hiding the food and by keeping her babies back under the plants. But her babies had broken all records of naughtiness. Finally, we decided to order baby cat food so that the kittens can also have a party. Look at the way these kittens are falling on each other for baby cat food. They are least interested in mommy's milk. After seeing all this, I feel my son is such an angel. He never troubled me as much as these babies troubled Dora.